Your company is exactly what I'm looking for. How's that sound? You want to get more clients? You want to get more customers?
Hello guys, and welcome to the video. Today we're gonna be going over 10 steps on how to make your agency better. Make this whole guide completely easy for you to understand if you wanna start a company. Let's say you wanna start a Smma company. Probably seen a lot of videos like this, and I'm gonna be explaining a simple guide, a simple tutorial, some simple steps to get you started starting your company. What needs do you define? What customers are for you? Do you have your skills? And we're gonna go completely over that. I'm gonna be setting you up so you can run your company today. First step is you're gonna be finding out who your niche is, what people do you contact, what companies do you contact. After this video, brainstorm who is the company you're most comfortable working with. Is it a restaurant? Is it cafes? Something like that. It's completely up to you because there's so many niches out there, but you have to pick one and be precise with that. If you're a complete beginner, please try to stand at one niche at a time, because when you get a customer, so let's say you get one for cafe, let's say it's a girl running a company cafe and she wanna be a reference to you, to a next customer. If you have a local area around you with a lot of coffee places that you wanna contact and do reference to your new customers, that way it will get more and more easy for you, and over time you will get so many more customers to your company. Take your time, brainstorm after this video. Who do you really want to help? What step 2 is be the best at your niche. Your best. Why do the companies want to work with you? Because there's so many competitors out there. So you have to stand out and explain why your company is the best and why the best solution, and why the companies should pick you instead of this other guy. So think about how really great you are. This is your chance to stand out and shine. You need to have a plan your business adventure. You need a plan. In business we call it a roadmap, a simple plan. Right now I want you to write down what do you want to help, and how you can tell everybody around it. I prefer to start out in my local area to do some free work for the companies there, so they can reference me to other customers. If you just get starting of this and having a hard time finding new customers for your business, this is a great way to introduce yourself and get more customers over time. 4 is you need to be visible online. With that being said, your company needs to be online and have focus on. You need to have a place where the customers can check out your company, what you can bring to the table. Maybe you already have a personal brand or a website. I really recommend you getting a website or social media that you can show to your customers. So on this personal brand, let's say your Instagram, you want to build up together with your company, and as you go one-on-one, step by step, boop, boop, boop. Picture your Smma like a club, like a cool club that people want to go into and have a nice day. What do people think about you? What do you have in skills? What do people think you can help them with? Is a must prove to you that you must show on your social media like Instagram. Let's say you're good at one skills like editing videos for customers, and you definitely want to show that up on your Instagram. Step 5 is that you're gonna be picking your service and your prices. Before we deep dive into this step, I want to talk about you that you should never do. Never ever tell a customer the price. Let's say you walk into this cafe that I was talking about earlier, and you're just starting to go up to this girl and telling you, hey, this will be $2,000 per month. And if you're gonna say that to the girl is obviously not gonna take you seriously, because you need to think first and see what you can do, what you can bring to the table through their company to help their company grow as well. You don't want to go in there talking about your prices already. You want to sit down with the meeting. Imagine if you were the owner of this cafe and a random guy just come in for the street and talk about his service like $2,000. Yeah, it will never gonna happen. You will never get a customers like that. So make sure you never talk about the price before you have proven your skills. Let's say you find a company on Google, right? So if the companies are looking to your help to grow his social media, let's say that, his Instagram example, Facebook page, whatever, TikTok page nowadays. So after the call, you want to book another call, and you want to make sure that meeting is happening like in this week. You don't want to wait for a month or something like that, because then the owner will probably not recognize you. So you want to schedule the meeting as soon as possible. for you to introduce yourself and what your company and your service can you do. Go back to the step, think about what you can do for people, what your service is. Do you want to stand out and help with video? What do you want to do? And how can you help the company? So let's say you want to run social media with them, you want to stand for their Instagram page, their Facebook page, the TikTok. You want to create cool content videos for them. You need to be very, very precise and careful with this, because if you don't have experience running ads, Google ads, and the company is paying you a huge amount of money, you have never tried to run ads on Facebook, Google, something like that, please be careful with this and choose a skill that you are very, very good at first, that you like to do and can help this company growing with. When you get more and more experience with that, you can make packages for people. Let's say you can run social media content. Let's say you want to help them with video production, something like that. You want all the skills. So many companies is looking for this, who can run Google ads, Facebook ads, and help also growing the social media, helping build them a website, help them with logo, something like that. So if you can include the whole package, company that's looking to get help, this will get you so many more customers. Company is more likely to choose packages. Step 6 is you're gonna be telling everyone that you are starting this company and that your company is open. So use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, whatever you're on. Tell your friends and your network. This can really, really help you getting your first client. Once you get clients and companies into your business, give them the best experience that they ever have. Companies are happy with your service, they will recommend you to others. So let's say your company is going really, really great. You're having a lot of customers now. You need to start thinking about hiring other people that can help your company if you really want to grow to the next level. You can take care of more customers that way. Example, say you go on Fiverr and you find someone who can make web design for you. You can bring that also to your customer, include more of the package. Let's say you have a guy doing web design, you have a guy doing video content. This is something I will recommend in the future doing. Step 9 is you're gonna be learning new things all the time. Always be open to learn new things about your company and what your company can do. Look at your strengths and weaknesses in your company and look for feedback, what you can do better. Always have a stay open mind. Discovering new treasures, money, and also remember, guys, to have fun on your journey, because this is a lot of hard work getting your Smma company out there, because there are so many that wanna run a Smma. So you need to stand out and always be positive and have fun with the journey. Learn a lot of new things as well. The last step and tip I want to give you is celebrating your small wins. Take your time, be patient. It's really important to celebrate your small wins. Remember, Rome was not built in one day, and it all takes time, a lot of time. Always try to be super happy and don't compare yourself to others. Reflect on your journey, look at your weaknesses and your strengths, look to what you can do better, and just have fun with the journey. There you guys have it, your super easy guide to get started with your social media marketing agency. Today on the adventure you're on, the journey you're on, and take it step by step. Welcome to the real world.